Oh God! From my mouth.
From Walmart, straight out. Give us another one. Cause then people won't know what they're. Like.
Now I burp in my mouth. It's a burp. Give us another one.
Oh, if you. Not half bad.
I feel like it sounds like I'm dying.
You're making.
It sounds like I'm retching.
Vocal noises.
I did a real one.
Has it occurred to us yet that we're probably burping up everything we drank?
I do that again.
So you didn't think that you were burping up everything? You thought you were selectively burping up just this?
Yes.
There you go.
Oh, is it in there?
Yeah, you start low and you.
I got the back of this.
Oh!
Yeah! How is it? It's great.
It's not bad.
Soda, and they have 38 flavors of soda. So LaCroix is just
From Walmart, straight out. They don't need to change it now because then people won't know what they're buying. But
You raising the eyebrows?
La cola.
Boost.
Put mango at 5.5.
That was good.
I put its burp at 6.5.
That's make great internet video. One of these.
Sorry.
No, it smells great.
Yeah, it is.
I never wanted somebody to burp in my face so much.
Oh gosh. Really freaking hot.
Mythical morning.
Action.